is to see your favorite dinosaur. Now imagine how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur in his very own stage show.
Is everyone ready to have a stupendous time?
Get ready for Barney's big surprise, the live video recording of his first ever national stage show tour. Join Barney, Baby Bop, and a host of old and new friends as they come together to celebrate oops, it's a surprise.
Ooh, I want to tell.
There's music, laughter, and fun galore as Barney brings all his very special friends into your very own home. You'll see Mother Goose, Professor Tinkerput, and many, many more. So get ready to clap your hands because this is one super-de-duper surprise you'll never forget.
With a cake this big, I think I need everyone's help.
Don't miss Barney's big surprise. Now available on home video from Lyrick Studios.
1, blast off!
Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure with your favorite purple friend.
Hold on, everybody. I think things are about to get really silly.
That's right. It's everyone's favorite dino starring in his very first cosmic adventure, Barney in Outer Space. When Barney and his friends discover a new friend on another planet, they zoom off to meet her, learning about the wonders of the universe all along the way.
We're in outer space, all right.
Come along as these space cadets explore new worlds and make new friends, including a real live astronaut.
Our spaceship has a guest.
With plenty of great songs and lots of imagination, it's an adventure you won't soon forget. So grab your spacesuits, because this super-de-duper spaceship is about to blast off. Don't miss Barney in Outer Space, now available on home video from Lyrick Studios.
By my side. All right, concentrate. I met her in my pajamas. In the Bahamas. In the Bahamas. In my pajamas. All right, in my pajamas. In the Bahamas.
From lyrics to the boring rinse up a jest.
The first day of school, my teacher said,
Comes an only joy performer.
parents. So I drew a picture of
The whole family will love.
named him Terrence.
For 12 years, he's entertainment families everywhere.
She said, I love pink alligators. Then she bought some magnets.
He's one main ones and going to rejoice in the K-born.
Refrigerator, and she said she put it
And you can be on with 2 great videos.
everyone would see.
Experience all the songs.
Liked my picture,
The smiles.
she is of me.
And a lot of more fun.
Now when the teacher asks me why a drawing,
Then you're ready, Joe. Joe Scruffs.
cause it's a refrigerator picture for my mom. Refrigerator picture for my mom.
Live from Gio and Joe TV on Now Avail and Home View. Only for Lyric Studios. Look for ours, as only for Lyric Studios too.
If everybody is ready, campers, attention! Left, face, forward, march!
Rise and shine, campers! Because camp is about to begin. And wait till you see who is your camper.
Oh, I blew so hard I thought I was gonna turn purple.
Welcome to Camp Run.
This is going to be great.
The most exciting, most stupendous, most exciting campsite ever in the world. So unpack your imaginations and get ready for campfire songs and lots of crazy fun. And it's mosquito free. Well, maybe not. Camp Run Around now on home video.
Camp Wanna Run Around. Now available on home video from Lyrick Studios.
To join the podcast, Lyrick Studios. I need to focus. Completely.